Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back again. Well, now today what we're going to do here is change out the valve seals. Now this will work for any ATV. This is a Bayou 400, but it'll work for any ATV. So I'll show you how we're going to do that, change out these seals. Generally that's a lighter cause. You see how I put that on there? And this is pushing here, and this is pushing over here. So this is going to push this spring. And I got this on eBay. This is exactly what this tool is for. Relieving these. But generally, valve seals are the leading cause of a lot of them. Now this is my idea. Let me get a screwdriver here. Is a cause of burning oil. They get old. Take those little keepers out. Don't want to lose them. You gotta pop those little keepers out if you can see that there. Pop these little keepers out. See that there? If you can see that, my black gloves are a little harder to see. But you want to keep those over the side. So you don't lose them. I'll put them up here. Okay, now all you can do is turn this back out slowly and let's up on the spring. So, let's up on the spring. It might let up a little bit over here. You gotta adjust it. Oh, there it goes. Pops out. Got this and this. That's your spring. Now this right here is your valve seal. And it's a little loose, but it ain't too bad. So what we do is we're going to pop that one out. We got to get the old valve seal out. So you kind of get underneath of it here. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see that or not. Get underneath there with a screwdriver and gently just pop it up. Now, probably easier to pull this out while doing that. I think I should have done. There it is. See, it pops right out. It ain't too hard, is it? Generally, it's that plastic in there gets where it's a little not as good, so it's it gets old and loses some of its strength. Now here I got a number 6 socket. As you can see, it fits right over the top of that. See all that? So let's put our valve back in. Now at this time, we'll look at the valves. It was running good, so I know it wasn't that. It was just burning oil. Little crowed. I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that on a wheel real quick and clean it up. Wire wheel. It's not the best, but I think it'll do. Like I said, it was really running good. I didn't have no issue with it. It was just that it was burning oil. Okay, now to keep that one in there kinda, we'll set that on top of that. And you just put that down over the top. And set that on it. Should be it. Now let's double check it. Make sure it's just not going to pull off. Make sure it's straight. It looks good. Do a little more tapping here. Yep, that's good. Kind of watch it go down. Okay, now it's got a little more resistance than I had before, so that should hold better. Okay, now we put this back on here like that. I like to put it on the side like this. You put one end over here on that end of the valve, and then this is over here on the spring. I try to rest that down there if all possible, because then you don't have to try to hold it up. Then you just screw it in here, turn it in. Let's get it here. In. Now you want to get enough, you can see there. Well, let's zoom you in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me get you a little closer. Now you can see it's away from there enough, right? Now we'll take these. Now generally what I like to do is use a little grease. So we got a little grease here. So you put a little bit of grease on the end of there, if you can see that. And this is tapered. So if you look at that, it's tapered. One end's bigger than the other. You can see a little line there. That goes on the outside. That's going to set in the groove. So that being said, I'm going to screw this in a little farther. So maybe we can see it better. It might be easier to get. Okay, now I'm going to put this. The grease helps you stick it to it, see? And then you just slide it in here. Stick it on. Now whoops, see, and it fall off. That's where I forgot to put grease on the other end. So you put grease on both ends. Because you want it to stick to it once it hits on there. I forgot to do that. I need grease on the other end. Well, as you can see. Now you might ask, well, why don't you use a magnet? Well, the problem is a magnet, if you use a strong magnet, it don't want to let go. And then it can be a pain to try to get on there. So I don't know if this is the best way. As you see, I'm having struggles here. There we go. I didn't get enough grease in there to hold everything on. So let's get grease here. And I need grease on the inside. Got a little thing over here, we got some grease on it. Okay, so let's try. There, see? Well, you can see that. Got her. Now, when you let this up, when you're relieving the spring, you got to make sure it's in the center. If you can see there, it's off to one side. See how that? So pull it to the center of the hole, as center as you can, and then slow release it. There we go. Then it'll tighten back up on there like it's supposed to. Bada! There it is. Okay. So right there, it's all back in there. This is how you do that. How you do the changing out the valves. So we'll hook onto this next one. And it's really best to do one at a time. You don't get, you ain't gonna get it any faster doing more. Just do one at a time. Put it on there, screw it down. You can see there, hopefully you can see there. See, far enough out, it'll relieve those. See them in there? Then just drop them out. Grab them, put them somewhere safe. Relieve it again. Off again. Pop that out. Then pop this over. Pop that seal out, the old seal. Put it right here. Grab the new one. I hope I'm in there. Yeah. so you can see something. Do a little closer on this one. Clean that one up too. Nice to have them clean. Okay. There. I'm going to tap that. I'm going to watch it go down. So I know it's on there. Good deal. Alright, again, let's do a reverse. What we just did. Make sure it's just touching over here on the bottom one. I'm gonna give me a little help there. I don't want to run out. You over here, you might run out. Run her down. And if you do it pretty far, it gives you plenty of room to work there. I need some more grease there. So put it right there on my. I'm going to try to come from underneath. There we go. That one's on. And there. I need a little more grease on the inside there to hold it. Alright, here we go. Now we're going to loosen it up. So keep it centered. Hopefully you can see that when I'm doing it right. There we go. I have to spool that back out because you might miss some stuff. Huh? Okay, and then you just, there we go, had a little interruption. There we go, spool it back out in the middle. And there it is. Does the job. Pull it all the way out. Drop it down. So that's what you do. You do with the all four, but hopefully that'll help somebody to how to change the valve seals in any ATV. And it goes for some vehicles too. So I hope this works. Subscribe. Look out for more videos. I'm going to be having them coming your way, and hopefully they'll help you. Have a good one.